Hello, welcome back to TGTV, and more specifically, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our house. It's house update time. There's been some comings and goings and bits and bobs going on, and it's finally time to turn the house into an NCP car park. I'm joking, I promise. Sort of, you'll see that in a minute. We've got a few updates in the house, then we're gonna go around the front and take you to the new garage complex that's being built. That is quite a grand way of putting it, but we'll see what's been going on. So, without further ado, spin the camera around. Anthony's here as well.
Hi.
You probably noticed that. Probably already looking at more than me. I should probably just dip out the video completely. Anthony's going to give us a guided tour of the inside because I am not allowed to touch or do anything involving inside or outside, anything other than the garage basically. I'm not allowed to touch.
And Connie's here.
Connie's here as well. So, big shout out to all of you that actually watched the video of Connie, I say being collection video. She's not a car, but a big shout out to all those that actually watched the video. Over 100,000 people now have watched us picking Connie up when she was dropped off by the rescue centre in a lovely car park. So over 100,000 people watched it. I'm getting loads of comments saying, where's Connie gone? What have you done with her? Just because I don't put her in every video. She's here, so don't panic. We haven't lobbed her in a canal or anything. She's in our lives still, obviously. She's our child.
Love her.
Yeah, she's our child. She's our daughter. Hello.
Hello, Bonbon.
You good? She's such good news. Anyway, if you want to rescue a dog, Paw Prints to Freedom. They're a great charity in Romania. And lots of lovely comments on the video of you.
And they do have UK dogs to everyone.
You little cracker. Yeah, they've got UK dogs as well. But you are Romanian, and you are good news, aren't you? Yes, you are. Say hello to everyone. Hello. Anyway, distracted. Fat Boy's here as well. Fat Boy's here. Fat Boy is here. Hello, mate. You okay? He's been playing with a hose, so he's absolutely soaked. This is Larry, his best friend.
I'm not allowed to touch Larry.
Larry is, yeah, hot property.
Don't get stroppy about Larry.
Gets very stroppy about Larry. Him and Larry are mates. Should we turn this into a house video rather than a dog video? I prefer a dog video. Hello, mate. Are you going to bite me? No, you're not.
We just moved this
You good boy.
table.
You good boy. Not done here yet.
Okay.
Good boy. Oh, good boy. Okay, yeah, go on. So you've been a busy bee out here, have you not?
Have them preparing for summer.
Preparing for summer.
So this is our dining table that actually folds out to a big long table that was in our dining room.
Yep.
But we're going to be doing some building work in the dining room, so we've not been eating in there anyway.
I bought you these.
You bought me these. My friend Antonia bought me these. Beautiful.
Okay.
That's our outdoors sofa from Westminster Living.
Yeah, Westminster Outdoor Living, well done. Good.
I've done a little
Reformer machine. Is this is going to go in the garage, isn't it? Because I don't really want this here.
Reformer Pilates machine that I do use every day, so.
You keep telling me to use it.
It's really good.
No.
This is our little area because it gets the last of the sun on
Last
the
of the sun.
veranda here.
Yep.
It's really pretty, so we can just have our little wine. Got the wisteria up there.
Wisteria update. I forgot to put on my plastic like owl thing this year, and well, yeah, the pigeons have gone wild on it. So it's been quite a good bloom, but as you can see, they've absolutely annihilated it. So I'm furious.
You should show this.
I'm not going to slow down for any more pigeons.
I've got the before pictures of what this area here looked like.
Ah, yes.
So this area here.
This area here.
The bush, the laurel, used to come out to here. Do you remember that?
Big old bush. Yeah, big toxic laurel.
To here.
Yep.
So we moved the lawn back twice. And then
Yep.
we've got a little bed here. I think it's really nice.
Yes, it's very nice. Oh, the zoom works on this camera. Chaos. Okay, should we go inside then? What are you doing? Heading in then. The kitchen's exactly the same. Sorry, it's a wreck. I've literally just dropped on Anthony. I've just turned up from Historics. I'm just going to show you my office. I don't know if my office was a thing last time round. Got dog bed. Crispy's is there. I've covered my laptops. Don't want any skullduggery going on with that. That's all very normal.
A fabulous fridge.
Fridge from Euronics. Big shout out to Euronics. I promise this isn't going to be a video of us just shouting out where we've got stuff.
I am wearing my sunglasses because Tom has just sprung on me that we're doing a video and I have no makeup on. So can you just not do that?
Yeah, okay, right. So I've got back from various travels and there's rubbish everywhere.
The dining room I was talking about, I don't know if this was in the last video, but I found this up in the loft.
Yep.
This carpet. So
Stinky carpet in the loft.
Yeah, cleaned it.
Okay.
And we're planning on knocking through here and having a more open plan fireplace that you can see from my side.
Yep, into my office, and I'll have just the corner of the room. I can't hide any longer. I'll be found out in there. Front room, nothing's changed in here, has it?
Nothing's changed, it's a mess, so maybe
it's an absolute mess. Maybe we don't show that.
We'll be really.
This is how we actually live.
When we have this all open, look how pretty that looks.
Let's go and see how pretty it is. Oh, is he there ruining it? Oh, look at him down there.
You can have that all open, have your little wine.
Have a little wine.
Come in, watch Dexter.
Come in, watch Dexter. Dexter, I hate Dexter, it's the most annoying programme. It's awful. Solid artwork. We are going out there, I promise. We are going out there, I promise. A bit more wisteria, but we're going to go and show.
This is from Emily Me. We should put this in. Emily Me Cross Art painted that for us.
If you want the details, DM me on Instagram. If you haven't got the full details there, but she painted that by hand.
And
off a picture of Kipper.
I think it's art by Charlotte.
Art by Charlotte. Again, if you want the details. Oh, look at them both. Look at them. Makes me very happy.
Artwork.
Yeah, right. There's been a new addition in the bedroom. There's been a bit of a game changer.
It has been actually.
Lower those eyebrows, everyone. It's not quite that exciting.
Garden looking nice.
Garden. This is my favourite view of the house. Makes me very, very happy.
I know. Isn't
Walking
it
down here.
You wake up in the morning
Look at
and
that.
you just look out in that. I mean, the veranda needs clean, but it's not.
That glass thing is a mess.
There's the bedroom. Actually, there's been a few updates in the bedroom, I think. Because I bought this sofa.
That sofa over there.
This sofa which folds out to a little like loungy bed so you can read.
Yep.
Which I'm very fond of.
I'm doing this angle so you can't see out the window. It's very important. Right, biggest game changer has been in the bed. Very quickly. Last thing we're going to shout out because this is actually an absolute winner. Go on.
Let me show you. So this duvet is the Emma All Seasons, I think it's called duvet.
Right.
We still have the winter one because actually this has been the first really nice day. But
Emma.
let me show you. So this is like a thick winter duvet, and then when it comes to summer, you literally just unclip it.
Wild.
And then you've got a whole duvet. You've got two duvets.
Why have we got the winter duvet on at the moment? It's 23 degrees today.
I'm changing it tonight. It wasn't that hot yesterday, so we still have the winter one on. But how genius is that?
That's really good.
So yeah, I'm going to be changing it tonight, so we've got the summer one on because I was boiling last night.
So I will leave a code below for Emma duvets, mattresses. They do all sorts of sleep related stuff. So Emma are absolutely incredible. If you haven't heard of them before, I'm sure you have by now. They do up to a 200-night trial on their products. They do free delivery and returns. They've got a 10-year guarantee, and you can also do 0% finance on their products as well. Emma Sleep is the ultimate destination for all your sleep needs. Crafted by in-house sleep experts, they provide everything you need to help you build a sleep sanctuary that you deserve without breaking the bank. Particularly this bank holiday where they've got a load of discounts on site for the bank holiday only. So that is a special offer for you guys and girls for watching this video, and the link will be below.
Our pillows are Emma as well, actually.
Pillows are Emma as well, actually. What, these ones here?
Yeah.
These ones underneath?
Yeah.
Yep, Emma as well.
They're Emma as well. I bought them when I was in my flat, so
I can confirm I have
lasted very well.
Do I have any trouble sleeping?
No.
And that is partly down
I
to
have trouble sleeping.
Emma being fantastic.
Snoring.
Yeah, I snore. It's chaos.
Oh, we've done a bit of an update in here. It's a mess.
Bit of an update. Oh no, leave the bra
we've got
in.
a bed in here, which Chris has really done a number on.
Yep.
But yeah, it's just that another spare room, because we did just have that spare room sorted, I think, on the last
There we go.
video. So our prestige wardrobes.
Yes, indeed. These guys, if you want fitted wardrobes, we were at sea, to be honest, getting fitted wardrobes fitted. We had quotes ranging all the way up to about 25 grand. 25 grand. They actually did these as well in here. We got 2 lots done. That's the other set. But I just assumed, like everything else, that it'd be 500 quid. They are not. Fitted wardrobes are hell, but they actually add to the value of their house, do they not?
They're fabulous, yeah. So yeah, this is our other spare room, but I think you've seen this one. I don't think there's been any updates. And it's a mess, surprise, surprise.
Look at this. Good grief. But yeah, we've got another spare bedroom here,
This looks out over
amongst
the
others.
cars.
Yeah, this looks out over the cars. It's all very exciting.
But there is actually, I'll come with you out the front, because
There we go.
I want to show you what the guys have done today.
In telepost. Okay, out the front then, we've got M3 here. We've got some rubble on the floor where there's been some goings on, which we'll show you in a second. However, David Attenborough here, this is part of the rubble that's been got out of some of the groundwork we're about to show you.
But the guy kindly told me that these are stag beetle larvae and they're endangered, so we have to save them. They do bite.
chaos. No way.
So we have to pick them up, but not by their faces, because they bite by their faces. But look, stag beetles are so amazing.
There's no need for them whatsoever, is there?
No, we have to save them, Bob, because the birds will get them otherwise.
The birds will get them otherwise. I mean, no bird would want to eat that. Jesus, wet! No, that is not a thing. I'm actually retching, I can't deal with that.
They're just a grub.
Just a grub. That is hell. What's this technique? What do we call this?
Saving.
Saving. Where does that go now?
We're going to chuck it in this
Chuck
bed.
it. I'm worried now. I'm worried.
Yeah, they make their way back into the ground. You told me.
Will it?
Yeah.
I think you've killed it.
I haven't killed it. But they bury in the ground.
Disgusting. No. They bury in the ground.
7 years before
7 years. No wonder they're endangered. Get a wiggle on, guys.
I don't want to hurt it.
You're actually not really that squeamish with stuff, are you? You're pretty good at this sort of stuff. Oh, it's not funny. I'll break your jaw. Don't do that.
You can't put that in a video.
Okay.
But look, you can see. So they were the ones that have just come out. But can you see there's like baby ones in here?
Baby ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, gross.
They're all making their way out now because we've taken the stump out.
Oh no. Right, so we have house here. I don't really want to show you too much of the front of the house. However, we've got double garage here, and we've also got all this space before. I probably should have filmed beforehand. All this space before was literally just a wasteland, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There was just like a stump and loads of other nonsense. And now, as you can see, there's so much space here. It was literally, it's kind of just cordoned off by fences. It was dead space. But now, we've got space for another garage. For another car. You're thrilled about that, aren't you?
I won't be parking. Can you, I've literally said to you, can you not put the camera in my face?
Okay, I didn't. So another garage is going there. So what we're going to do, the plan will be, is to kind of adjoin it to here. I'm not going to go full hog, bricks, stone, silliness, whatever. It's more going to be kind of sort of a lean-to type thing. We've got to be a little bit careful because we've got a tree stump there, but there's about 2.5 meters gap there, and it's going to align with the front. And the rest of what's going to be going on will be this kind of gravel will go all the way up to the front of it. So we're going to extend the entry point up here, and we're going to make sure the gravel extends up to there. So there's going to be space for another car. I know this is a car channel, it's not a witchetty grub channel, so I'm going to witchetty grub? Stag beetle larvae. Is that what a witchetty grub is?
No, grubs are all different things.
Grubs are all different things. Right, let's...
Oh, we found some gravel.
Yes, I love gravel.
Yeah, he was the loveliest man. And
Gravel's the best.
And also he found all this Victorian edging.
Did you tell him I like gravel?
And he packed them all over there for me.
Did you tell him I like gravel?
Yeah, I did say that Tom will be thrilled.
Okay, I've got my Lisso there. And we got the I mean, please do ignore the state of it here. What can I tell you other than I've just literally left rubbish on the floor? We've got my SLS there as well. All this is going to get tarted up. We're going to do like plasterboarding and make it all fancy with some nice lighting in here when the other section is done. We'll probably cut through into the new garage from within, just a little doorway inside. We've also got these. These were kind of dampers from my M3. I did a crappy advert with them and I never bothered fitting them. So if anyone wants new dampers for their M3, let me know. Also some wheel locks. Again, I did a crappy advert. I never actually bothered fitting. Shock. Good heavens, that's not like me. Right, that's that then. This is one side then. This is one side, so it's all go. I'm probably going to replace these doors as well by the next time you see this. And on the other side, so this is all the rubbish that's come out. There's going to be a grab and drag digger coming to get rid of all this. How are the grubs?
Yeah, fine. I found another one.
Another one. How's it looking?
No, I don't know if this one's squished. But this one we can save.
It's wild. You're literally... Oh, it's a baby. It's almost cute.
We'll chuck it in here.
Right. Also, we've got antenna posts in. These go up and down. I'll show you on the other side of the garage, the other entrance of the garage. These are great. They are wireless and keyless as well. You do not need a key to raise and lower this bollard. It's literally wireless. They don't need to be in the mains or anything. Magic. I've got a little path here going up to the front door. Lovely. And over on this side, we've got my E93, and we've got the antenna post here. These are installed nationwide. As I say, no wiring, nothing needed. They're all app controlled, encrypted to the same level as WhatsApp. They are absolutely fantastic, and fitment is done nationwide by the teams at IntelliPost, and installation takes about an hour and a half per post. Easy peasy. So E93 is here. We've got this part of the house, which is kind of just a bit of a dingy little sort of side entrance thing. We've got a rubbish gate there which probably needs to go anyway. Anthony will demonstrate why we're not particularly fond of this part of the house. So it's very, very dark in here. Very, very dark. We've got a shed here. It literally looks like an abandoned sort of homeless person's den in the forest, doesn't it?
Not sheltering very much.
No. So we've got this horrible little shed. That needs to go. And then all this sort of space. That goes into the neighbours' side of things. But actually, there's quite a lot of room here. There is quite a lot of room. There's about 2 and a bit meters across here as well. So groundwork will begin here soon, and there will become another garage on this side, or possibly even just a sort of a timber framed lean-to here. Might not even be fully sort of covered in. We're not quite sure yet, but as you can see, it's sort of sheltered out of the way, but not really of much use. Another massive waste of space. And again, we'll cut into probably into the entrance here, all down the side, and just sort of cut this back, but make some really nice flowers and whatnot over here. We've got the E93 here. The Brabus is coming back. The Brabus usually sits here, but the Brabus is currently being de-wrapped, so we will get onto that at some point. That'll be on the channel. The Brabus will be back.
Do you like my pussy, Willow?
Are you happy with that? I think then that is that from a fairly undramatic hole for the time being. Check back very soon, because it will be done, and we'll be deciding what cars to put here, what cars to put on the drive, and what cars to put over on the other side as well. I am looking into stackers inside there, and the full renovation inside there is going to happen around the same time, with a little bit of DIY from my Anthony and myself too. This is going to be a cost-effective build. I'm not going to go absolutely crazy, but I think it might surprise you what the total build is going to come to and how much we actually achieve. So stay tuned for that to come. For now, from my new friend, the digger down there, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out Emma below, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!